David. So you've been working with F16 Media LLC for your air duct and drive and cleaning business to get more leads and appointments. What do you have to say about F16 Media LLC, about the results and everything?
Yeah, I want to say thanks for everybody over there. You do amazing job. We get like perfect service. Everyone is always available for us. They run our ads perfect. Everything going smooth. We get more leads. That's all. Just happy to work with you guys.
So what would you say to other air duct and drive and cleaning companies who are still thinking to, start working with us?
No, I'm highly recommend to work with you guys. Like I said, I'm very happy with you guys. You're doing an amazing job.
You are getting leads and appointments every single day?
Yeah.
You see the growth in the social media?
For sure. 100%.
What would you rate us out of 10?
To be honest,
Mm-hmm.
9 out of 10.
Perfect. I really appreciate that, man. Thanks.
Okay, my guy. Thank you.